What's up, gang? I hope you are doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for your support. Okay, guys, last time I did a video about this here about the TELUS International company where they hire you to do digital projects like doing selfies using your phone and your laptop or computer. Okay, yesterday, guys, I received an email, as you can see here. It said yesterday. Okay, the project that I'm going to do is selfie data collection project. Okay, guys, as you can see here, the name of this person who sent me this email is Lara. Okay, I won't go through the what she or he wrote. Okay, let's dive. Okay, as you can see, guys, the instructions here. Project schedule. Okay, estimated time to complete the task is 30 to 1 hour. Please note, each participant can only complete the task once. Okay, requirements 18 plus, guys, obvious. A device with a camera, e.g. your phone or tablets, a stable internet connection for the duration of the task. Payment rate is $20, guys. $20. Just imagine 30 minutes of your time, you get $20. That's good money, guys. For completing the full task, this is an independent contractor opportunity and a one-time task. Payment will be processed via PayPal. Okay, and then here, guys, here's the link. Okay, okay, now I'm on the site here, guys. You can see selfie data collection project. Okay, now summary, guys. As you can see, summary. Participants will be asked to take 10 short videos of themselves while wearing different props, e.g. sunglasses, face masks, heads, and without any props. Each video will be less than 40 seconds. Just imagine, guys, 40 seconds long. Okay. I don't have any question. Okay, now, guys, I'm going to put my information here, and then let me scroll down and see. Okay, as you can see, guys, here, all this information is required from me to fill in, and then after I'm done, I'm going to submit, and then after that, I'm going to do the task, and then they will pay me $20. Okay, guys, I will show you when I'm done. Okay, guys, as you can see, now I fill up my form. Okay, as you can see, my phone is successfully submitted now, guys. Now I will wait for the link that they will send me to do the task, and then I will update you, guys. Okay, guys, I just received an email from TELUS International. As you can see, guys, they are saying thank you for your interest in collaborating with TELUS International on selfie data collection project. We have registered successful. Selected participants will be contacted regarding the next steps. Okay, guys, I hope I will be one of the selected ones. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos guys. And guys, once I hit 200k subscribers, I will do a giveaway. Thank you guys. Peace.